is Anushka, and today I'm going to help you find out your best colors which can make up your whole look. Even if you are not wearing the right makeup, wearing the right colors can evaluate your look and make you shine like a bright star. But if you are wearing the wrong colors, it will destroy your whole look. This is trending all over the world about finding your color palette or which season you are, which can help you determine that which colors you should wear to brighten your face. So there are many ways to find out what best suits you. So the first method is to get a personal color analysis, but this is a paid activity. Many people cannot go for it, and also some places do not have this. So the second way is this video. So in this video I'm going to ask you per choice based questions which you have to answer truly to get the colors which best suits your face and make you shine. So you might be delusioned that you can choose the features that you aim to have but you do not have. For example, if you are having doughy eyes but you aim to have a little cat shaped like eye, you might choose the cat eye and get the wrong results which can destroy your whole look and make your face look dull. Do it really honestly and choose the features which you have and which truly describes you, not the fake ones. So let's get into the video. So the basic instruction for this whole quiz is to choose the option that truly describes you, not the delusion one. So let's get into the quiz. So my first question to you is, what is your natural hair color? It is not the one you have dyed or you aim to have, the natural color you have since birth. So option A, is it ashy blonde, silver or cool brown? Option B, is it golden blonde, warm brown or auburn? C, is it dark brown, black or deep auburn? Or D, is it warm brown, strawberry blonde or chestnut? Make sure you are remembering all the answers which you are choosing. So my second question to you is, what is your natural skin tone? Option number A, is it cool pink, rosy beige or olive with a little blue undertones? Option number B, is it warm ivory, golden beige or peachy tan? Option number C, is it deep cool brown, ebony or cool beige? Or option number D, warm beige, golden tan or freckled skin? So my next question is, what color are your eyes? Option number A, is it blue, grey or cool hazel? Option number B, golden brown, warm hazel or green? Option number C, is it deep brown, black or cool dark hazel? Or option number D, warm brown, amber or green with golden flecks? And the last question is, what jewelry looks best on you? Option number A, is it silver or platinum? Option number B, is it gold or copper? Option number C, is it silver or white gold? Or option number G, is it gold and rose gold? So I hope you all have must chosen the best options which truly describes you. And now let's get into the results to determine which color palette you have or which season you are. Results are, if you have these as your answer, you are a winter type. So the characteristics you have are the cool undertones and high contrast. The colors that suits you the best are icy blues, deep reds, black, white and silver. So an example will be Jennie from Blackpink. You have these as your answers, you are a spring type. The characteristics you have are warm undertones, light and bright. So the colors that suits you the best are coral, peach, light green, golden yellow and warm brown. An example will be Lisa from Blackpink. Have these as your answers, you are a summer type. The characteristics you have are cool undertones, soft and muted. The colors that suits you the best are soft blues, dusty rose, lavender, gray, and muted greens. An example will be Sonye Jin. If these were your answers, you are an autumn type. The characteristics you have are warm undertones, rich and earthy. The colors that best suits you are rust, olive green, mustard yellow, warm brown and orange. An example will be Joy from Red Velvet. I hope you have liked this video, so make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you have any doubt related to this video, you can just DM me on my Instagram account and make sure to follow it too. Okay guys, bye bye.